Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 69 Plymouth Road Runner. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Road Runner, and then we'll get it around there on a lift and out on a highway as well. As you look across the front, you can see that this front bumper is phenomenal, along with the rest of the stainless. Now you also get a chance to look down the sides, which you can see these body panels are straight as an arrow. Now as we make our way around the driver's side, you can look closely here at the door gaps and see that they're even and symmetrical from the top to the bottom. You'll also notice that this black is accented by the white vinyl top, which is the factory option for this car. Now before we go on around the outside, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's accented by the black and white two-tone color combination. You'll notice that we do have bucket seats and the console. And as you look across the dash, you'll notice we got the working tack in the dash along with the original radio, which is working. Now as we come on around, you can see these door panels are in phenomenal condition, along with the seat covers, carpet, and the headliner. And you can see that the dome light is working. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside to give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. Now as we make our way across the back, you can see that the trunk has an excellent fit as well, and that the bumpers appear to have been replaced, along with the taillight bezels and the lenses. As you make your way around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this car is. You can see that all the glass is phenomenal in it, and you'll also notice that this black paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine that's set off by the Magnum 500 wheels with the Firestone Wide Oval Tires. If you want to come on up, we'll take a look under the hood of this Mopar. Now this Road Runner is set up with the matching numbers 383 engine, and as you can see, everything looks beautiful just like it would have off the showroom floor in 69. It does have the correct intake with an Edelbrock carb, and you'll notice it's dressed in the 383 Road Runner breather. You'll also see that the valve covers are painted and that this car does come with power steering. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Road Runner, I'll get it pulled around there and up on a lift so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this 69 around there and on a lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you. Now that we have this Road Runner on a lift, we can take a closer look at the floors, frame, and the driveline. This is a unibody car, and you see that all of the frame and floors are detailed in black and look to be original and rock solid. Now under the front, you can see it has had new end-link bushings installed, and that the ball joints and control arm bushings are in great condition as well. It does have disc brakes here on the front, and it has drums out back. The 383 engine is mated to the matching number 727 trans that goes out back to the 8 3/4 inch rear end with a 323 gear. For exhaust, it has manifolds with the dual pipes and Flowmaster mufflers. Now before we get this Plymouth down on the highway, I want us to take one more close look at the floors, frame, and the rockers.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.